I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. If y'all can probably tell, I am using a brand new camera, the ZV-1. Mitch recommended me to use this camera because he said it was pretty good. And today we are at the detail garage in Round Rock, Texas, Badcock Road. We're about to check out their 3-year anniversary, so hopefully y'all like the video and let's get to it.
When they got it on record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Ice for y'all, 8-6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
So far I've been having a lot of fun filming with this camera. It is so compact and so fun to use, honestly. Just the way that you can get the shots is absolutely insane. Hopefully y'all do like the way that they come out. Here we have Mitch and his Lexus, so let's give him a little edit and let's get to it. Okay, so I remember last time we came to the, I think the previous 2 times that we came, we've been able to see this really cool Camaro that was fully built for the track. Full slicks on hoosters. Holy crap, this thing is absolutely insane. You got small tires in the front and ginormous tires in the rear, and a huge blower sticking out the hood. Hopefully y'all like the edit I make with this one, because holy cow, it's loud and insane. I'm not really sure how many of y'all like the Datsuns, but I absolutely love the way that they look, the classic ones I should say, because they just, the whole body line of these cars look absolutely insane. I hope y'all like the edits that I make with these, because Jesus Christ, the blue on this one is like a baby blue, just makes it pop so good. Alright, so this car show is absolutely massive. There's absolutely, like, there's people leaving, and as soon as they're leaving, there's other people that are filling in their spots. So yeah, there's a bunch of content to get out here, and honestly, there's not really much craziness happening, probably just at this exit over here, but everywhere else is just pretty cool. But we might stay at that exit here in a bit so we could get a couple cars leaving for y'all and enjoy it. So sounding good.
I was zoomed in all the way, so all you see is the rear tire.
That was crazy.
Oh, shoot.
bro. Sounds amazing. Alright, so just got done with the detail garage meet here in San Antonio for the 3-year anniversary. Hopefully y'all did like the video. If y'all did, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. If y'all didn't, I mean, hit the thumbs down button. It's up to y'all, but go ahead and do whatever y'all want. Subscribe if y'all really want to come back and watch more videos like this, and have a great day.